What is presently the laziest and effortless method to earn an income online? To qualify as the laziest and simplest method for generating online revenue, certain criteria must be met. It must not necessitate appearing on camera or adopting the role of an influencer. Furthermore, it should eliminate the need for product development, course creation, and related responsibilities. It should not entail a substantial initial investment to avoid heavy spending on advertisements or inventory. Lastly, it should possess a long-lasting impact, implying that the effort invested once should yield returns for years to come. Allow me to unveil the method that admirably fulfills these prerequisites. You may have come across numerous videos offering advice on completing online surveys or engaging in work such as transcription. While these tasks provide compensation upon completion, they necessitate ongoing effort to sustain income. If quick and lazy money is your objective, these methods may suffice, but it is crucial to note that earnings cease once the work stops. In my perspective, these are not the optimal strategies for online income generation, particularly if you value intelligence over exertion. I share this inclination with you, and I assert that combining high-paying affiliate products with a traffic source of considerable leverage is the quintessential, effortless means to earn money online. Without further ado, let's delve into the details. You may be wondering what I mean by this and how it operates. Although it may sound intricate, I find it to be the most straightforward approach. Allow me to elucidate the process concisely. Commence by identifying a nexus between your interests and commercial viability. This can be accomplished easily by creating a Google document and enumerating at least 20 of your interests, spanning hobbies, recreational reading, and various other domains. Subsequently, compare this list with the items I'm about to display on the screen. I encourage you to pause the video at this juncture to undertake this comparison. Additionally, assess if there is any alignment between your list and the items I present. The objective here is to eliminate any unrelated items from your list. You might wonder about the rationale behind this step, but rest assured, it will become apparent in due course. The next stride entails collaborating with a high-paying affiliate product. Numerous online marketplaces offer the opportunity to earn a percentage of sales proceeds. Platforms like Digistore24.com and Clickbank.com are prominent examples. Rather than merely discussing this, I will guide you through the process. Here's how to put it into action. Visit a website such as Digistore24.com. Next, select the category that best corresponds to the item you identified in Step 1, located under the Marketplace tab. Now, search for a product with a minimum price tag of $500. Opting for such a product ensures a profit of $250 when you earn a 50% commission. Even with just one sale per day, employing this method will yield over $100 daily. Now, register on the website, for example, Digistore24.com. Upon registration, you will be provided with a unique affiliate link, which I will expound upon shortly. Following this, adhere to my simplified content traffic algorithm. The initial step in this lazily crafted formula entails organizing your thoughts. This merely entails visiting YouTube, accessing the category you identified in Step 1, identifying the top 3 channels within that category, and exploring their most popular videos. This can be effortlessly achieved by visiting YouTube and clicking the popular videos icon, yielding a list of 30 video ideas. Compile the top 10 videos from each of these 3 channels. Now, for the final step, which does entail a bit more effort at this stage, but far surpasses other online endeavors. The distinction lies in the fact that this approach, once implemented, continues to generate income over an extended period without necessitating ongoing effort. It might continue to provide earnings for several years. Begin by selecting one of the videos you've identified and watch it while composing your script within a Google document. To expedite this process and ensure that your notes are original and in your own words, consider viewing videos at twice the speed. To confirm the uniqueness of your content, you can employ a tool called Copyscape. Be open to drawing inspiration from various videos and conducting online research to include essential details in your script. Subsequently, transform your script into a presentation using Google Slides, a free tool within Google Drive. The inclusion of images and icons will enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. I recommend websites like pexels.com and pixabay.com for images. Now record your screen as you navigate through your slide presentation and provide commentary. The free screen recording software OBS can facilitate this process. If you prefer not to speak, you have the option to hire assistants from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork at reasonable rates. The final step is to upload these videos to YouTube, optimize them, and include the affiliate product's URL in both the description and pinned comment sections. You now possess a resource capable of generating income for years to come. Allow me to illustrate how this can earn you $100 per day. I recommend establishing a schedule of 3 videos per week, which is achievable with a single day's work per week to record them. After recording, you can upload and schedule their release on YouTube. After 1 year, you'll have 144 videos on your channel. Keep in mind that the majority of views come from a select few videos, even if each video receives 1,000 views monthly. With 144,000 total views per month, even if a fraction of viewers engage with your affiliate product, the potential for substantial earnings is evident. In conclusion, while there are no guarantees that uploading 144 videos will yield this level of income, I aim to demonstrate the immense potential of what I believe to be the most convenient online income-generating method. I also provide 3 additional strategies to maximize your gains from this time-efficient approach. If you found this video informative, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The first bonus recommendation involves generating recurring income through items that offer monthly subscriptions, often software products. Partnering with programs and promoting related software can yield continuous revenue as long as subscribers remain active. The second bonus suggestion is to diversify your video content using various software tools. Whether it's capturing your screen with OBS for tech-related content or creating whiteboard animation videos with VideoScribe, exploring different content formats can enhance your channel's appeal. Lastly, once you begin profiting from this method, consider outsourcing tasks you find cumbersome. Hiring individuals to create videos, design thumbnails, and optimize your content can free up your time, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of a truly effortless income stream. This is the approach I employ for multiple YouTube channels, outsourcing tasks I find challenging and enjoying the rewards of a well-executed strategy. I hope you have found this video valuable. Don't forget to like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming videos. See you soon with another amazing video.